Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, okay, so you can see more videos like this. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room makeover, but this is day one. For today only, I'm going to be putting up this wallpaper. It's this gray and white wallpaper that I got from Amazon. It's faux brick. So my walls are textured. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm hoping that it sticks. If not, we're gonna need a plan B. But yeah, so for right now, I'm gonna attempt to put this on, and if you're interested to see how it all comes out, keep on watching.
While we vibing, you know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing, dress it up, yeah I be styling, eat up the drip, she be dining, straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire, all of these expiring, ice of the boss and we hiring, raising the hood where it's sirens, they hopping on ship like a pirate.
Ayy, ayy, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the tragedy. Be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater. I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar,
holding this cheese, living more better, smoking these doobies with Xavier. We keep the gravy, yeah we too groovy, we keep it unruly. Know it's yours truly. Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick wanna do me, thick and she coolie. She busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty. Call of Duty, I'm online with it. Took my time with it. Watch the operators, they be plotting. Don't go with the gang and they rock with us. Everywhere that we go, we be popping up. Yeah, we popular. Eyes on us like binocular. Yeah, they time is up. You could try your luck. Stay anonymous, but in God we trust.
In God we trust. All these looking odd to us, riding waves just like they ride the bus. Them pretty wanna ride my the vibe is us. Sergio Tacchini eating fettuccine. Know they see me getting cake. I've been out hustling at the dinner, baby. I'm a winner. I don't really need a break. Breaking my foot in yo, breaking the neck of these when I'm bending the corner. Breaking my in the glass, burning that loud and the neighbors done heard the aroma. Play a persona, she eating my till she fall in the coma. The card of the itis. I really got it off the muscle. Now they wanna tussle, wanna fight us.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, know what damn well they really.
So yeah, you guys, like, it's not perfect. Like, this over here is like folded because my wall is just textured and all that, but honestly it's only this area right here. After I put the first, I guess, panel down, the rest were way easier to put on. So yeah, so far there aren't any like creases in the other sides, but over here it's like, you know, I messed up, but it's okay because they don't gotta be perfect. All right, it don't gotta be perfect. I've literally done this whole entire wall. I just have this small piece left to do, and then I'm done. But I'm glad that so far everything is sticking, because that was my biggest fear, is that because my walls were textured that this was not going to stay on. But I washed my walls, I scrubbed them, and I air dried them, so it's on there pretty good. Like, it's not peeling back. Fingers crossed it stays like this.
Yeah. Hey, the ceiling. I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got 'em fuming, they ain't used to it. Rely me to the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm butter till I feel black. And I still ride for it on a couple flats. I've been down, better bounce back. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
She is pretty much done. It is not perfect. I do not care. I'm gonna go ahead and trim that stuff up there, and as well as the bottom, trim some of that off. But it's not perfect, but it's gonna work for what I need it to do. So if you guys are interested in this wallpaper, I am going to link it down below so you guys can purchase it yourself. But yeah, altogether this took me about 30 minutes to do. It's probably easier if you have somebody to help you do it. I was doing it by myself, so that's probably why it's not perfect, but it works for me. This is day 1 of my room makeover. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.